In this example, we will study about the warehouse location problem. So these are the inputs. These are the various latitudes for the cities and their longitudes. This range under shipment is called as WH shipments, the warehouse shipments. So the decision variables will be the latitude and longitude. So the cell is named as WH lat, and this is called as WH long. Under the objective function, for various, the distances are found using this formula, which is 69 into square root of the WH latitude, which is the decision variable, minus the city latitude raised to 2, plus the WH longitude minus the city longitude raised to 2. So you find these, and this is the objective function here, which is the sum product of the WH distance and the WH shipments. So this range is called the WH distance, and we use the sum product of the two for the objective function. So now we will add these as decision variables. Name this under decision. We will then add the constraints. So the constraints here, it says both latitude and longitude must be less than or equal to 120. So we will select these cells, and these should be less than 120. We will say OK. Now for the objective, we will select the cell here. We will select the cell and say minimize, since we want to minimize the distance, and you click OK for this. So you will find here the objective, the variables and the constraints are selected. You will then go in engine. For max time you can write 100. You can change this to true for assume non-negative, and then we will click on optimize. So it says here solver found a solution, and all constraints and optimality conditions are satisfied. So this is the total distance, and these are our decision variables.